Hi guys, so I've seen this beautiful spiral cone thing, so I thought I'd try and print one. I'm not sure if it will work, but at the end of the day, because I have read a lot of people had problems with this and that. So this is the outer casing I'm doing, and it started off with like 14 hours or something like that, and it's only printed what, I think 11%. Been going well over an hour, so yeah, it'll take time. Only 39% done, guys. Can you believe that? It doesn't look anything like what I've seen. %66%. Coming to the end now, guys. It seems to have printed alright. Let's hope the second one prints well too. So this is the inner shell, and it's saying 9 hours and 20 minutes at the moment, so obviously probably about 9.5, 10 hours to print this. 17% done, guys. Nearly 60%, guys. 77% done. That's it, guys. I'm so surprised that it actually printed well after 8.5 hours or so. But there you go, it's printed. Will it work?